Welcome back everyone. It's me Arjun, your WordPress guide. Today I'm gonna talk about how to install WordPress on your computer and try to enrich your knowledge. Well, without further ado, let's dive to our topic. Okay. First, you should be sure that you should have required software to install WordPress. That is PHP, MySQL and server. But don't worry, you don't need to install them individually. Go ahead and install the available bundle package, either WAMP or XAMPP or MAMP. WAMP work for Windows, Microsoft operating system. XAMPP work to cross-platform both Windows and Mac OS, or MAMP which is particularly for Mac. All of these allow you to access to local PHP server and MySQL server. Well, in this tutorial I'm using XAMPP. First, download the software package. Hopefully download and installation process is so straightforward, very easy process. Just go to Google, opening your favorite web browser and download, then install any of the package from their official website. And then after downloading, you have to run the local server. If you are a Mac user, go ahead and hold down command space bar key, type manager -osx and hit enter key. If you are a Windows user, click on start button and search XAMPP control panel. Type and confirm your computer username and password. Hit enter key. Afterward, then select manager server tab. Start selecting Apache web server and MySQL database, or you can simply do pressing start all button as well. Now next step, you should create the database. Open any of your web browser, go to localhost/myadmin and hit enter key. It looks something like this, and click on database tab, then type database name and simply click create button. WordPress underscore tutorial and click on create button. Next step, after creating database, download WordPress from wordpress.org/download is the official website for downloading WordPress. You can download from here. I have already downloaded a copy of WordPress on my desktop. Extract and move the WordPress to local directory. Extract and move the WordPress to local directory, that is either htdoc, If you are using XAMPP or public underscore HTML or www if you are using other server. I have already downloaded XAMPP, so I would head to htdoc and paste WordPress folder over there. Copy WordPress, moving to application, so XAMPP, it's the htdoc. I'm pasting over there. Let me change its name. WordPress underscore tutorial tutorial. I'm copying this to the htdoc folder. Afterward, go to web browser and simply type localhost slash WordPress tutorial and hit enter key. Yes, let's go. Type your database name, WordPress underscore tutorial. The username is, my username is root. I don't have any password. Host is localhost and table prefix. I'm leaving this as it is. Then submit. You have to create wp-config.php file. I'm copying all the code from here and open any of the text editor. I have Sublime Text. I'm copying all configuration code and going to create wp-config.php file on the WordPress folder that is inside my XAMPP htdoc WordPress tutorial. The file name should be wp-config.php. Then hit save. And run the installation. Fill the given form whatever you would like to have as a title for your website. Mine is WordPress tutorial website. Username as ADMI and admin. Password. Confirm uses a weak password, no problem. And feed your email and hit install WordPress. Yes, congratulations, enjoy coding. You are all done. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you on next tutorial.